What happened to Kelly Dwyer? She disappeared 3 weeks ago, and the last person known to have seen her was in court today.
Now, this is a completely different case, but Kelly's uncle was there and deeply concerned.
The uncle spoke with our Yona Gavino. She joins us live at the courthouse. Yona?
Well, Mike, her uncle John drove in early from Chicago this morning just to be here. He's still holding on to hope that his niece will soon be found, but he tells me that hope is fading. Chris Zacco still hasn't been charged with the disappearance of Kelly Dwyer. While her uncle doesn't think he's involved, he does think Zacco may know something. Police believe Chris Zacco may have been the last person to see Kelly before she disappeared.
I've been to the building. I talked to the security there. They got a multitude of surveillance tapes, and there's nothing showing either leaving alive, leaving deceased, or leaving knocked out. They don't see it on any of the cameras.
When police searched Zacco's apartment for any signs of Kelly, court documents show they found child pornography. Zacco is now charged with 17 counts of possession of child porn. He's also charged with keeping a drug house. His attorney asked the court to reduce his bond today, but the assistant DA said $500,000 is appropriate.
Perhaps he had absolutely nothing to do with her disappearance, but there are a number of concerning and suspicious factors.
In the end, Zacco pleaded not guilty to the charges, and the judge kept his bail at $250,000. Kelly's uncle is happy with that news.
You know, you got to go on with your life, but it's very, very difficult, very emotional, and you know, every time the telephone rings, you cringe because you don't know what's going to be at the other end of the line.
And Carol, if Chris Zacco is released, he has to turn over his passport. Also, he is not allowed to leave the state of Wisconsin for any reason. Live in Milwaukee, Yona Gavino, today's TMJ4.
Yeah, you can see the family's pain and frustration. Thank you, Yona.